Cadillac Vistiq grille outline. A single orange line draws the front silhouette in space. Pearl white body panels materialize from the grille outward. Hood and fenders lock into place. Front body complete. Hood opens hydraulically, revealing the empty, blue-lit engine bay. Full Vistiq body fades in. Blue wireframe rotates, highlighting battery tunnel and drivetrain. Component icons hover above. Orange line connects battery icon to engine bay floor. Cadillac Vistiq title floats above roof. Blue lettering with orange underglow appears. Body turns transparent. Orange aluminum space frame glows, showing front subframe measurement. Front crash structure floats ahead. Orange arrows pulse along crumple zone load paths. Headlight explodes into 5 pieces. LED matrix board rotates for inspection. Headlight cutaway reveals internal light guide. Orange pulses travel from LED to lens. LED matrix activates sequentially. High beam pattern projects against virtual wall ahead. Technical specs float beside headlight. 128 zone matrix, 600 meter adaptive beam range. Front brake caliper explodes. Orange arrows show hydraulic pressure to pistons and pads. Caliper cutaway shows piston bore. Red fluid pulses. Rotor reaches 150 degrees Celsius. Caliper clamps rotor. Braking force slows rotation from orange to gray. Brembo 6-piston specs appear. Lower control arm floats with orange pivot points. Adaptive damper cutaway. Magnetic fluid changes viscosity as piston moves up and down. Vehicle tilts during virtual cornering. Left damper stiffens, reducing body roll immediately. Rear electric drive unit materializes. Silver cylinder with orange high voltage cables. Rear EDU explodes. Stator, rotor, inverter, gear set, and differential rotate separately. EDU cutaway shows spinning rotor. Orange magnetic field lines connect stator windings. EDU drives rear wheels. Power meter shows 250 kilowatts output during acceleration. Frunk opens. Front drive unit and power electronics module sit side by side. PEM explodes. DC-DC converter, charger, junction box, and fuse array separate. DC-DC converter cutaway. 800 volts input transforms to 12 volts output through MOSFETs. Battery sends 800 volts to PEM. Headlights flash as 12-volt output powers them. Undercarriage view. Flat battery pack spans entire wheelbase beneath semi-transparent body. Battery explodes. 12 modules, pouch cells, cooling plate, and BMS board rotate. Pouch cell cutaway. Lithium ions move from anode to cathode during discharge. Battery discharges from 100 to 80%. Regenerative braking recovers 2%. Thermal management system appears. Coolant lines snake through battery, EDU, and PEM. Cooling system explodes. Pump, radiator, chiller, and fan blades separate for inspection. Chiller cutaway. Coolant and refrigerant flow opposite directions, transferring heat away. Battery heats to 50 degrees. Pump, fan, and chiller activate, cooling to 35 degrees. Cockpit X-ray view. Steering rack materializes below firewall with electric assist motor. Steering rack explodes. Pinion, rack bar, tie rods, and assist motor separate. Power steering motor cutaway. Torque sensor measures input. Rack moves proportionally. Steering wheel turns 90 degrees. Front wheels respond as assist motor glows orange. 33-inch curved OLED display appears above dashboard. Cadillac logo glows. Display explodes. OLED panel, touch layer, backlight, and chassis separate vertically. OLED cutaway shows RGB subpixels. Touch ripple registers finger press on navigation map. Full Vistiq reassembles. Orange pinstripes trace character lines on pearl white body. Vehicle drives forward on virtual road. Energy flows from battery to rear drive unit. Key specifications: rotate around car, 600 horsepower, 300-mile range, 4.5 seconds to 60. Vistiq fades to orange outline. Cadillac crest logo pulses twice as lights dim to black.